What's going on?
Oh, I just trying to snag one in the ass, man.
I'm letting you tire that baby out.
It's not coming anywhere over here. Is that right in the mouth?
It's a hog.
Is it in the mouth again? It's somewhere towards the front of the face. Yeah, it is a pretty big fish, isn't it?
It's a big fish, man. How is she?
Right in front of me, right there.
She ain't ready, man.
Coming real close to you. She's about to swing to you at any moment, dude. She's right in front of me. Just stay where you are. Don't even move. Here she comes. On the egg pattern. Hold on, Ron. Stay where you are, dude. You're good. She'll come to you, man. Here she comes. Right to you. Right in front
of you, Ron.
Oh,
Ronnie!
yeah. Shamo 2010! What's up, dude? Woo! Nice job, B-Dog.
Hey, man, I couldn't let you down again, brother.
Nice job, man.
Let's see it.
Right in, look at, come here. Want to see the close-up of the fly real quick?
Let's see it.
Look at the little egg pattern right there, where
right in
it's
the
located.
corner. Yeah,
Actually inside the mouth.
that's beautiful. Nice catch. What do you got to say about that?
Here, Marquette doesn't, I mean, it was slow, but still we're getting fish. That was the orange.
There's a green one right in the mouth, too.
Yeah, there is.
Let's get some pictures. Man.
Okay. I'm going to show it on the video.
Perfect.
All right, sweet. I can get some
Stay there, Ron. Watch my line. You got 2 lines in your
Come on,
head.
dude.
Beautiful.
Here,
Beautiful.
Marquette, dude. Love it.
On the top corner up there? Yeah. So I went to reel in. And I thought, man, I got my just one blanket. Yeah, that's what I thought he was doing. I started sitting here. I thought he was just snag, man. Good job. Must be Matt, I don't know.
Yeah, thanks, dude.
Sorry.
I don't always get it out.
Well, neither do I. Stop it?
No, dude, I got that jump too, man. Right in the midsection. It's a nice fish though, it's a big one.
Let it go down there. Let it go down. That's Scott's fish right there. Scott through the trees. Coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. Coming up right at you, dude. What's going on? No. Oh, it's off now.
Coming up or what?
No, I'm fishing. There he goes. The lone fisherman, the lone salmon fisherman.